Are you looking for the top 5 best rowing machines for conditioning? When you search for rowing machines, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims, same generic photos. But to find which one actually boosts your conditioning, you need to look a little deeper.
Product number 1, Yosuda Rowing Machine. The Yosuda rowing machine caught my eye right away with its sleek design and magnetic resistance. Priced at $189.99, this machine is positioned as a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned athletes. If you want a machine that offers customizable resistance for your workouts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Yosuda features 16 levels of resistance, allowing you to adjust from a light cardio workout to intense HIIT sessions. With up to 72 pounds of magnetic resistance, you can tailor your training intensity to match your fitness level, whether you're just starting or pushing your limits. It also has a Bluetooth connection to sync with fitness apps, so you can track metrics like calories burned and distance in real time. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that many people are loving this machine. Now, some people complained about this seat being a bit hard after long workouts. Here's the thing though, most rowing machines tend to have firmer seats to ensure a solid rowing position, and you can always add a cushion if needed. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable rowing machine that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you prefer a more cushioned seat right out of the box. For $189.99, you're getting a lot of features that make your workout efficient and effective. Now, if the seat comfort bothered you,
Product number 2, Winokur Rowing Machine. Next up, we have the Winokur Rowing Machine, also priced at $189.99. The first thing that stood out to me was its compact design and strong construction. If you're aiming for a full-body workout that fits in a small space, this one deserves your attention. The Winokur is designed to deliver a consistent rowing experience with its 16 levels of silent magnetic resistance. It operates at less than 30 decibels, so you can row in the early morning without waking anyone up. That's huge if you live in an apartment. Plus, it targets over 90% of your muscles, making it effective for both cardio and strength training. Many users have noted how quickly they can feel a difference in their fitness levels after just a few weeks of use. Over 100 people have purchased this in the past month, so it seems to be making waves. But I did find some complaints about the assembly process being a bit tricky for some. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, it's very sturdy and has a comfortable padded seat, which compensates for that initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a compact rower that offers a full body workout without disturbing others. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-tech display with lots of metrics. At $189.99, it provides great value.
Product number 3, Yuka-Tape Rowing Tape. Now, let's switch gears a bit with the Yuka-Tape Rowing Tape. Priced at $13.99, this isn't a rowing machine, but it's essential gear for serious rowers. If you've ever had blisters or cuts on your hands, this product is a game changer. The Yuka-Tape is infused with eucalyptus oil, which not only smells great, but also helps soothe your skin. It's designed to protect your hands from blisters while providing a better grip on the handle. This is crucial for maintaining performance during long sessions on the water or at the gym. The tape is durable and works effectively whether you're indoors or outdoors. With over 100 units bought recently, it's clearly making a mark in the rowing community. Some users mention that it can be a bit sticky when first applied, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, that stickiness means it's going to stay in place during your workout, which is what you really need. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your rowing and want to protect your hands. Skip this if you're not rowing frequently enough to need it. At $13.99, it's a small price for comfort and grip.
Product number 4, Mutushi Rower Cover. Next, we have the Mutushi Rowing Machine Cover, priced at $26.99. It caught my eye because it offers a great way to protect your investment. If you want to keep your rowing machine in top shape, this cover is a must-have. Made from high-quality waterproof and dust-proof material, this cover protects your rowing machine from the elements. It has an adjustable drawstring that keeps it secure on windy days, which is great if you're storing it outside. The cover is designed to fit most rowing machines, making it a versatile choice. It's perfect for preventing wear and tear, and users appreciate its durability. Over 50 people have bought it in the last month. However, a few people found it a bit tricky to fit snugly on larger machines. Here's the thing though, as long as you measure your machine before buying, you should have no issues. This is perfect for you if you want to extend the life of your rowing machine and keep it looking new. Skip this one if you're planning to keep your machine indoors all the time. For $26.99, it's a smart investment to protect your equipment. Finally, if you're looking for another cover option, the next product is just as...
Product number 5, Andakar Rower Cover. Last but not least, we have the Andakar Rowing Machine Cover at $23.99. This one stood out for its lightweight and portable design. If you need something easy to handle, this may be the right fit. Similar to the Mudashi cover, this one offers excellent protection against dust, moisture, and UV rays. It's made from durable Oxford fabric and features a telescopic rope that secures it tightly around your machine, making it ideal for outdoor storage. Given that many users are looking for a cover that's easy to clean and maintain, the Andakar offers that convenience. Over 50 people purchased it in the past month. However, a few users mentioned that the material could be thinner than expected. But honestly, as long as you're not exposing it to extreme conditions, it holds up well and does its job effectively. This is perfect for you if you're after a lightweight cover that doesn't compromise on protection. Skip this if you need something heavier duty for harsher environments. At $23.99, it's a budget-friendly way to keep your rowing machine safe. In summary, whether you're looking for a reliable rowing machine, protective gear...
To wrap it up, we've covered the Yosuda and Wenoker for solid rowing machines, the Yukata tape for hand protection, and the Mutushi and Andakar covers for safeguarding your equipment. Each has its strengths depending on what you're looking for. Whatever you choose, make sure it fits your specific needs, and happy rowing!